when to take impulse entries versus when to not take impulse entries. Now, aside from the spelling, a lot of you have asked this same question. Now, I've done an example here for you. There are, of course, many different examples that I could show, but this is one of the main ones that I found to be most successful. If we have a period of consolidation, like on example 1, and you're looking to take an impulse entry to get out of this area of consolidation, if we're coming up to this resistance up here, then we start to break above, but we have no closure yet, and you're looking to take that impulse entry, you can't just take it every time it wicks out of that resistance, because we have strong bodies closing at support and resistance either side, and you have every chance that that isn't going to close outside of that range. There's nothing here suggesting that it's a valid impulse entry. However, a similar setup, we have a period of consolidation with a support and resistance. On example 2, we have strong supports and strong resistances being respected on each bullish candle and each bearish candle. However, as you can notice here, at our support, our key level, we have closed with a very small bullish candle showing that the bullish momentum is slowing down and the buyers are losing in the market. The bulls are weak. Now, this is the perfect impulse opportunity if and only if we start breaking the lows now. So if we start to break that previous wick on that tiny bullish candle, that is your entry here. Example 1, it's a big no-no. Example 2, absolutely yes. I hope this has helped you out, guys. If you like this content, please follow for more.